Good morning and welcome back to the Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain. Thank you for your votes. You decided that today we're going to talk about the floatplane versus fishing boat accident. The defendants in this case are the fishing boat, the people who were on the fishing boat and operating the fishing boat. And their lawyer reached out to Experts.com for an expert. I'm going to wrap it up with the type of expert at the end. So during a takeoff run in a very narrow stretch of the lake in Ontario, Canada, a fishing boat appeared and was on a head-on collision course with the plane. The plane pilot killed the engines, aborted the takeoff, still was floating, and the boat, the fishing boat, kept coming towards the plane, ran into the plane in between the two floats. The floats, as you're probably aware from movies you've seen, are how planes land on water. They can't use wheels. You should know that. Once the boat impacted, nobody on the plane was injured. There was only some damage to the float section of the plane, the floats. There was serious damage to the fishing boat, and there were injuries. One occupant was seriously injured on the fishing boat. Now, the expertise needed in this wasn't just accident reconstruction, but they were looking for a pilot who could tell them who was negligent, the boat or the plane, and who had the right of way. And that's the case. That's the expert we found. Talk to you later.